Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, June the 30th. Tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 4-box break. It is one of the Gold Rush autographed football jerseys from 2017. It is also 3 of our very own boomboxes. Boomboxes are a product exclusive to our channel and our channel only. You got to stop on by breakers.tv, Boom City Breaks, YouTube, or Twitch to get them babies. We did random team sales for this break, as you can see on the far left. We have already randomized both customers and teams. We then alphabetized the customers so they could see what teams they had a little bit easier. Gave them ample opportunity to trade, and here we go. All right, guys, that is it. The first box of a Gold Rush. Well, guys, think we know who that is. We pull them all the time out of Mr. Gold Rush there. Does a great, wonderful sig. It shouldn't be surprised, but Gold Rush, once again, it treats us pretty darn nicely, folks, and we pull ourselves a sweet Terry Bradshaw. Has both PSA and Bradshaw holograms on there. There is your certificate of authentication. She is a custom, folks, but she's, as we say here at Boom City Breaks, a wonderful custom, as all the Gold Rush stuff is. Always super clean, brand new jerseys, quality customs as well, guys. Not these little, like, featherweight stuff. Here you go. Terry Bradshaw does a great sig. Who's got Pittsburgh? Who's got Pittsburgh? Philly nails the Bradshaw. Damn it. Damn, markers don't last for the crap, man. Philly, I know it's hard to see, but it is on there, fellas. Could have grabbed another damn marker. This damn won't work any better. All right. All right, y'all. These here are boom boxes. Next three boxes, boom boxes. Boom boxes are a product exclusive to our channel. Here we go, folks. This is box 1. Ooh, well. Not a bad way to start off that one, folks. Again, man, this is not a bad 4-boxer already, guys. Look at there, man. There is a Julio Jones. A really nice one, too, folks. Custom, beauty of a custom, as we always say, man. We pull Terry Bradshaw in our first box. We pull Julio Jones in our second box. Not a bad start. Let us see what we gonna move on to. Who has the Falcons? Brother Craig, bud. Moving on. Pop, pop, pop. Again, guys, not a huge hit. But like I said, man, they all can't be super, super high ends. I personally like this jersey a lot, man. They look awesome. But that is going to be a Jaguar hit. She is a custom, but that is Alan Hurns, folks. That there is a Jaguar hit. And as you can see, folks, there is no tag, which means obviously, folks, we are next one gonna most likely pull that friggin' that ticket if it's not in this box. Yep. Who is that? Roy. Is that I don't know if that is everybody froze? I'm just making sure it's a couple people and not like an issue. All right. Here we go, folks. Here we go. This is our last box. This is our last box. Alan Hurns, bud. Yeah, it was Alan Hurns. Well, guys, I like this jersey a lot again, folks. Nice hit. I know a lot of guys in the room actually like this jersey a lot as well. That there's going to be a Seattle Seahawks hit, folks, in the Michael Bennett. Once again, she is a custom, but she's got the tissue, everything still in her, folks. She's never even been unfolded or anything. That is a Michael Bennett hit, folks. Once again, no ticket, though. No ticket, so who is Seattle? Seattle. SD is going to take home the Bennett, folks. So that's going to wrap up that one, man. You guys know how this works, boy. We are stacked up really nice for our next one then, guys. Should see one of them qualifier tickets. In our next break, hopefully. So there you go, guys. Have a good one.